Last class we can take introduction of Photoshop. Today we can teach toolbar. In toolbar, first tool. What is the first tool? Move tool. What is the move tool? Why we use the move tool? Move tool is like we can move the object one place to another place. That is the purpose we can use the move tool. Move tool shortcut key is V. Okay, first you can go to rectangular marquee tool and create a new layer and draw the one rectangular shape. When we can draw one rectangular shape, after that we can select a brush tool, go to the foreground color, click the foreground color and click it here. After that you can select a brush and fill the color. Now here small dotted lines it is showing. That dotted lines you can remove, means go to select and deselect. Shortcut key is Control D. Now this is my first object. Again we can come to the plus symbol. Again I create a new layer. Now we can go to the elliptical marquee tool. Click the elliptical marquee tool and we can press shift and draw exact circle shape. After that you can select a foreground color. You can change the color and select a brush tool and fill the color also. Same procedure here, some dotted lines it is there. The dotted lines you can remove, means you can go to the select and select the deselect option. Deselect shortcut key is Control D. When you can see deselect, the time it is the dotted lines are removed. Same thing again, we can select one more new layer. Now we can select the rectangular tool. In that rectangular tool I can select the custom shape. In custom shape I can select the pixel option. When we can select a pixel option, here shapes it is there, you can click that shape. Here lot of shapes it is there. Which shape you want, you can select that shape. At present I want to select this heart shape and I want to draw here. Okay, if you want change the color, means you can change it the color. First you can change the color. Okay, after that you can drag that sim. Yeah, now now here totally three objects it is there. Layer 1 is one object, layer 2 is one object, layer 3 is one object. Now you can go to the move tool and select a move tool. You can select a rectangular, just you can move anywhere in this document. Not only in this document, suppose you can create in another documents. Suppose you can go to the new document and create one more new document. Okay, now this rectangular we want to move here to untitled 1 to untitled 2. That time you can select a move tool and select that rectangular and you can drag and move here. After that you can bring to down. That time what happened, it is coming here to this document. This time we can move there. Okay, see when we can select in move tool, that time in option bar here this lot of options it is showing, but in this option auto select and show transform is highlighted, but remaining options are not highlighted. Reason is there, you can select the only one layer, that is the reason it is not highlighted. Then here more than two layers, suppose I can select the two layers. That time some options it is working in this alignment option. Okay, see here only six options is highlighted, but remaining two options is not highlighted. Next, you can select more than two layers, means you can select more than two, means it is select three layers. That time here all options is working. First option, what is the first option? We can go to the first option, that is called a align left edge, means how many objects you can select, that is it is coming to left hand side. Just you can click the left align means that how many objects you can select it, that all objects it is coming to left hand side. Again we can undo means go to edit, select the undo align left edge. Shortcut key is Ctrl Z. Again it is coming previous. Okay. Next, what is the next option? Next option it is there, align to horizontal center. Click the align to horizontal center. It is coming to the exactly document center. Okay. Like that we can use the align to center. Next, again I can press Ctrl Z. Next, what is the next option? Align to right. Okay. 1 minute. Yeah. Select the three layers. Now this is called a align to right side. It is coming to right side corner of the document. Okay. Next, this is align distribute to vertically. Distribute to vertically means the middle of the object it is coming little bit more top. That is called a distribute to vertical. Okay. After that, what is the next option? Next option is align to top. It is coming to align to top edge. Next, next option is the align to vertical center. It is coming exactly center. It is also vertically. Next, next option is the align to bottom. We can click, then it is coming align to bottom the document. Okay. Next option is distribute horizontally. That time distribute horizontally means it is coming little bit right hand side. This time we can use these options. Okay. Now after that another option is there, align to distribute. Here what all options it is there, that all options is here showing, and here some option it is there, that is like selection, only select the object, otherwise canvas. Canvas is the work area or artboard called a canvas. Okay. Next, here 3D options is not working, because of that we cannot use the 3D objects. That is the reason here it is not working. When you can use 3D object, that time this options is working. This is the move tool.